Hello friends. India's railway network is recognized as one of the largest railway system in the world. The government is highlighting more on the railways revamping as it's the lifeline of the country. There has been huge development and expenditure in this sector under Railways Infrastructure Development Program. So, in this video, we will be discussing how we as stock market participants can benefit from this theme. So, to know more about these stocks benefiting from this initiative, stay tuned with us till the end of this video where we have a surprise for you. So, what is this program all about? The government is launching new trains in various routes and has allocated huge expansion plans in terms of new routes, luxury trains for tourism, new high-speed metro and bullet trains, etc. The ministry has allocated funds for the renovation of the railway stations to give world-class experience to the commuters. The government has floated an SPV named Indian Railway Station Development Corporation to give airport-like facelift to the railway stations across the country. Many companies have been given contract for stations handling, advertisement and maintenance as another source of revenue stream for the government. So the new initiatives are: foreign direct investment in railways will lead to improvement in infrastructure for freight and high-speed trains. Foreign direct investment inflows into railways related components from April 2000 to March 2019 stood at US $969 million. So, how does the future look like? The Indian railway network is growing at a healthy rate. In the next 5 years, the Indian railway market will be the third largest, accounting for 10% of the global market share. Indian Railways, which is one of the country's biggest employers, can generate 1 million jobs according to Ministry for Railways. Indian Railways is targeting to increase its freight traffic by linking rail with ports and airports. With railways getting modernized and remodeled, companies will prefer railways also with airways as a preferred mode of transport for goods and services. So, who will benefit from all this? So, for that, you need to subscribe to Stockage app. Here, under the premium version, we have a ready watch list section which outlines some themes and stocks which can get impacted from various criteria like the government policies, the trade war, the monsoon, the crude, etc. Here you can check all the scans which these stocks fall under, all the news flow in the outlined stocks, and any corporate announcements or corporate actions which have taken place for the stocks outlined. You can even check if any bulk or block deals have happened for the chosen stocks. All in all, you can have a 360-degree outlook on the theme that is playing out. So now, which stocks can generate the best return for you? So, to know that, we are giving you a coupon code YT100 which gives you free access for a month to our premium version of Stockage, where you can know all about the theme and the stocks benefiting under it. You can use it for a month and see its usefulness. Once you are assured of its benefits, you can extend your subscription and keep benefiting. So what are you waiting for? Use the coupon code immediately and know the stocks which can give you the best returns under the Stockage premium version. Thank you.